Hey guys, what's going on? Cody from MedVapes Easily here, and I got a new video for you today on a new device that we just got in. It is the Aegis Legend Kit. So this device is water and dust resistant and was tested under controlled laboratory conditions with a rating of IP67. Water and dust resistant are not permanent conditions, and resistance may decrease as a result of normal wear. Do not attempt to charge in wet condition. Liquid damage not covered under warranty. So it is IP67 water and dust resistant. It's got a high shock resistance. It's got the upgraded AS chip, which is fast and accurate, as they say, a colored display screen, and it's powered with dual 18650. So this is a 200-watt device from GeekVape. So it also comes with this tank here, which they call the, hold on, it says on the bottom Aero mesh version, but it says the indestructible beast with super mesh coil. So I don't know if that's referring to the box or the tank itself, but this is the Aero tank from GeekVape, and it's got a mesh coil in it that is a 0.2 that you can run between 30 and 90 watts, but it's best between 60 and 80. For the purpose of this video, we are not going to use that tank. We are going to use my Arco 2 from Horizon Tech, just so I don't have to put juice in that and then ruin it. So if you look down in here, there's really not a 510 connection, so, or well, not a 510, it doesn't have that exterior piece like every other one does, if that makes sense. See what I mean? So that's pretty cool. Additionally, right here is your USB port, so you just lift that up, and that's how you get into your USB and everything like that. So you just screw your tank down on here. Bada bang, bada boom. And so on the bottom here, you've got this little slide that you pull, and then that'll pop open, and that's how your batteries go in. One thing I do like about this, that door is very springy, so you don't have to worry about it coming down or anything. I hate how loose battery doors are. And then it's got separated spots for your 18650s, of course. So I'm going to be throwing my batteries in here. Thing is hard to get closed though, but I guess that's a good thing because that means it's making a proper alright, got it closed. So 5 clicks turns it on here, and that brings us to the menu here. So ooh, I like that. That's actually kind of a nice display. It's hard to tell, but it looks almost 3D the way that they have the little thingy here. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it up to not 200 watts. Trying to get to 85. Oh no. Alright, so we're gonna just go with 82 because I don't feel like clicking this thing 900 more times. So when you click it 3 times, that'll let you cycle through all your different modes here. So you've got temperature control, everything like that. Oops. And then you just hold it down to select. So 3 will light that up, and that's what'll let you cycle through the modes. And then when you get back to what you want, you just hold the fire button down, and then you're rocking. So alright, so alright, so at 85 watts, it's definitely not as stout as the switcher, my switcher mod, when it comes to like ramp up, and it doesn't necessarily feel like 85 watts. It feels more like 75, maybe 70. But honestly, it's something that, you know, it isn't a big deal. Somebody that would probably be using a device like this wouldn't really care about, because I mean, you could always just turn it up to like 95 watts and then not know the difference. But overall, I definitely like that it's sturdy. It's been drop tested, all that good stuff, so you can drop it and it's not going to break or anything. It's got that shock test and everything like that. It's supposed to be waterproof. I'm not going to dump water or anything on it for the purpose of this video. But overall, I think it's a solid mod. It definitely feels good in the hand. It's rounded on the back. The fire button is curved, so your finger fits on it really nice. But overall, I mean, it looks solid, and it looks like it would be able to definitely be dumped in water, and you wouldn't have an issue out of it. The back here is made of like almost a pleather kind of deal. I guess they didn't make it out of real leather just for the fact of it wouldn't. I wouldn't consider that waterproof if because leather wilts with water. Now the camo design on it doesn't look too bad on the camera. I'm not a big fan of the camo design on this. I like the they have a stealth black one that looks a lot better. We have that one too. I just use this one because this is the one we have on display right now. But overall, I definitely like the device. I think GeekVape is moving in the right direction. I wish we would see more devices like this. The last one that I saw was eons ago, and I cannot remember the name of it. But it was like a little 20-watt box that had like a flashlight on the bottom of it. Somebody leave in the comments below what the name of that thing was. I can't remember what it was called. Anyways, so I like this device. I think that I honestly want to pick one up just because I drop my devices so much that this might be a nice thing to have. Plus, I really like GeekVape, from the Zeus to some of their other stuff. I mean, the Griffin was amazing. But now that they're getting into the box game, it's pretty cool. I mean, you know, generally when you have like certain companies that I won't name, some of their tanks are a lot better than their boxes. But then you have companies that their boxes are a lot better than their tanks. But this device definitely seems sturdy, and I'm pretty happy with it. I think that I would definitely. I don't know if I'm going to pick one up or not. I haven't decided yet, because they are a little bit more pricey, but that's because of all the the proofing and things like that on it. But I'm going to take a couple more rips here, and then I'll stop bothering you. All right. All right. If you have any questions about this device or anything else for that matter, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and be sure to get back to you. All right. Peace.